Hey guys, so as you guys can tell, I did get my hair cut and I got pink. And actually I'm gonna get new pink and it's gonna go like up to like right there. Yeah, like pink, you know? Up to there. And I'm actually gonna get this re-dyed. And then all my bangs are gonna be pink. And I'm gonna get like little strands of pink, you know? Yeah, like pink highlights. So today I will be singing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. You guys won't be able to hear the music because it just shows lyrics. Here you go. I let it fall, my heart, as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees still fall too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true in the game you played. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I test your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say. They were never true in the games you played. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I test your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and it threw us into flames. Well, it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. The last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. That heart you caught must be waiting for you. Even now when you're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. Hold on. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into flames. Well, it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. The last time. Ooh, ooh, let it burn. Ooh, let it burn. Let it burn. Thanks for watching. Bye.